Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Please, let's put our hands together for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much. Alright, just before I call on my colleague MC Wasobia to recognize His Royal Majesty, I was trying to tell us something. So if somebody is from Nigeria, what do you call the person? In Nigeria. Now what if you are from Anambra State? What do we call you? Anambra? What if you are from Imo State like Mommy? What do we call you? Imo what? Imo Lights? What if you are from that city that is called Meduguri? What do we call you? Medugurian? Medugurian? What if you are from Kaduna? What do we call you? What do we call you? Yes. Anyone here? This is a mommy. I see my mommy there. God bless. Okay, what if you are from that city that is called Jericho? What do we call you? Jericho? Jericho? Who said Jericho? If you say Jericho, how many liters? How many liters of Jericho now? Don't people never confuse us. Alright, I'd like to invite my friend and my brother to recognize His Royal Majesty and other dignitaries that are here this beautiful afternoon. MC, what's your name?
Please, can you give a round of applause to my very good friend? He failed to ask a very good question. What if you are a baggy man? What do you call it? If you not call that one, why you not go come out inside this hall? Because they are the indigenous, they welcome us. And that is why, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I am excited today to announce, or to rather say the name of our lovely father, a man that each time you go into his palace, each time you see him, his smiles are not fake. The smiles on his face is real. This man is dark in complexion, but the heart is pure like a gold. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about a man each time you go into his palace. The palace is open for you to eat and drink. Either he's seated or not. Ladies and gentlemen, FCT belongs to him. All the baggy in this vicinity belongs to him. Yoruba Igbo in this town belongs to him. All the tribes belong to him. I thought all of us, we are going to give a round of applause. As I announced to us a lovely father here in our midst, His Royal Majesty, Baba Muduka, Alhaji Dr. Usman Nga Kopi, Sapai of Jericho, Abuja. Ladies and gentlemen, Karuta hands together for you. Let's say Zaki. Let's say Bakadeji. Cha 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 Ibe Kwenu. Cha 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 Ibe Linu. Cha 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 Ibe Kweseno. Without an Igbo man, can you have any business done? Without an Igbo man, can you have red oil? Without an Igbo man, importation and exportation, is it possible? Without an Igbo man, can you buy a krika in the market? Without an Igbo man, can you have good attire with you? Without an Igbo man, you cannot do anything good. And that is why today I am excited to let you know that His Royal Majesty is here in our midst. Igbo Ayadigimanaha Chineke. Dr. Martins Amako, all the way from Imo State to Naka. Ayadigimanaha Chineke. Wait. I want to support my mother. I brought the Medanki Commander Arewa. Saya bani kurmiki ni da kike gani nan ni babban dan tudu ne kuma ni ma Bahaushe nake ku taba mini mana ga shi aka ce babban shugaban masu kasuwa gaba daya Alhaji Bulama yana nan ya san abin da ake ce ma kudu ya san abin da ake ce ma ribo da tije Allah maka albarka wannan matan ni ban san abin da zan ce mata ba Dr. Chetachi ba ai lafiya ubangijin Allah bude mata kofa in goma ne can you say amen to that I say if it is 10 doors that will take for someone to enter eternity may the whole 10 doors be open for Dr. Chetachi in Jesus' name. All the women here, stretch forward your hand. Everyone seated here, stretch forward your hand to this woman. Stretch forward your hand to this woman. Can you say one prayer in your mind in 1 minute to her? 1 minute. Let's say, do a thing that you can say to Tuesday church to bring it up. Yes. May the Lord answer all our prayers in Jesus' name. Allah will answer a prayer, inshallah. If you pray that one, may it come back to you in Jesus' name. Nace na illahi kureshi in kai wanda ba daidai ba na kalaka ras. That is how to do it. We are all welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, MC Wazobia. All right, very quickly, we'll move into the event of activities that we have today. I'd like to invite a very distinguished Nigerian, one that has worked tirelessly to ensure that this event is put together. I'd like to welcome him for the welcome address. He is the national president, or the DG, the director